na kwaba sunkumba Badwam Ahosepe Jumezido is the founder president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Akwaba sunko zeba cafe bar noa ahade jowulu police station in Chanhonoa mezu komo achiro ne nyakwa waso etum na abahade na ebezizi kama ha na maminyi de chokonko ne kware chiroma djuma no dos papa no so apafu no so otwa djuma no kakraka na so honoma obekotwa abrahe no wo so nti da membre ye wo mi ye wo mbre bi ma yakopon eyiyi ne nsodafo beka nsodafo amechia sojafo wogina worchi momome ezama Kristo worchi akra ezama no ho na anepe mu wo mukro ha de ya me na botwe nkomo menyim de wonwa age na nwom hu ye papa because anyum to adwuma ne ze ozum na ehwe training na papa ba ye na sorry ye me show de bi obama namba so asan atuedo inti no mo no ha de ya me na botwe nkomo but answer na no na monton mortal Guinness mo mortal Guinness wo favorite malt no na zotin de sisiara no say one shan shop bi am e be hu mortal Guinness ogu new canum kan no oye foforo kra nte bia ne hu ni no esde bi iye onya malt bia maame na la oye mortal Guinness na ra kan no wo fa ne jeje can into no malt na ra wo favorite malt na no da hwara ogum kan na ra na yasese na nyu do kakra na so malt ne ze pepe into no say hwe immune booster vitamin B ashemu matoron kotinza no babu mazana na ape mortal Guinness new jeje can no pekor na maame fasuti bo ma wan home enka wo ho no asamara nye na ernum no so bo mazana hwe kan no ho ehwe bi hu de oyaza Ghana ye logo no Ghana flag no bo ho kama ni hu an hu de oye mortal Guinness jeje can na ernum no na mami face had na me introduce my guest Mao why we back to back hit songs worship ono oto nyuma rade anapa is ni nyum suda butum na as album pay as a sorry yakopon na yi and pay me nya no wa hade na one popular song ankofo inyim anwum no nsa na nya neza e matchen erazi enyim matchen eradi enyim anwum na me ha on American into no me sure me kan da me ehu nyimpa me guess ne ye Kofi Owusu Peprah and an pay the Brothers and Sisters Association.
We no greet me. Thank you so much.
Yeah, but you sign na I joined association no akwaba na uhu ya ne pe bibia boko.
Nyame adom doso. Ye won kwan de
Wazina no asam moranya na ye te wunyum bebre but personally me shada menyim wo asam inyi no wan kran ha ahefa na inyi ne wo
o menyi no kumase metena kumase over 27 years and I'm a bank crying so be 6 years.
Oh really? I would have because me maybe I can happen e bi nyini o.
Me you say ko ni.
Asante ni mapa.
Say ko for chia hu nyina like see kumase na ma betina tema be 6 years.
Okay, na shade ko school na digina o kumase.
Kumase Anglican okay me fi amekom na me ko Grace Baptist na me ko Kumase Anglican na me ko Kenya University. Ti Kumase ana matina.
Wow. Na abazo bankran.
Okay, so you school Juma. Yeah, na me call post diploma in music. Na me nya Evangel Temple ICGC. Music director job, substantive music directorship. Na nya me adom. Me ba ho na e be yes adwuma.
Okay.
Enyum to na de me ba.
I see.
Metal Ministries. E be back in Metal 2018. Me nya sa akonya na me se ma me nso. Ti 2018 so my back in Metal 2023 January yana who say yes
and I'm finding out that na back Joe Metal and I was like Kofi Owusu Peprah back Joe Metal. I didn't know this and you are not and you're the first person me share one na back Joe Metal me share lady, there's a lady. Now say now say
Yeah.
And I was not make catch Wobeka Kofi Owusu hey, now the Jometo ne back is in why a big day, not no or choose big people that can really sing on Wobaka no. It's I was surprised.
He's a good shepherd. I mean yeah, TV so and remember I'm didn't come on. It didn't come on close to 1 hour. It tells o kabi bia kire nyom of fam nti you gina nchen a obehu se enye even baby a wadu no enye fosa da bia o work hard and disappointment so ma hu say it's part of
adwuma na mo ye no
okoba bi kwa na sabi ye ntwiti ni ye ko tumi ka kire en se chale and na form say nti munya mo de na mususu nka na
I see na shada disappointment no wadwuma no mu pa
oh Ghana had dear.
What's the Ghana had?
No, I mean, a future no. So if you're a young man and you're coming up, and you want to do this thing, especially full time, you should have a very big heart. With the bear accommodate disappointments. I mean, from people who invite you, even sometimes from your own artist. I mean, I won't hide it. That is the truth. But in all, no. I see.
I see.
And tell me, I'm paying for big surgery, and even at this time, they come to tell us that sometimes you may be a cost when they go for certain programs. No, they ask themselves, maybe I'm a paying me do. They saw a home brass and so I didn't know be boy. But we work hard, you know.
Okay. Now, maybe I'm maybe what TV do, but some hook a cram.
Sure.
Experience later than maybe a couple bini show in your car. What's done?
Oh, and they normal. You know, it's a broken record. But because I can't, you know, the way I want to see I carry yourself. Okay. You know. And let me say that the key word is communication. Sometimes genuinely now. I'm inviting you. Genuinely, onimni
okay.
So
then tafre bi do motu nyumi az ni pakono amoto wa no so nkwa na.
Well, ebu wa ana obema obibi but nkwa no factor we know say nkwa na odina ni bu. But sebi ahobrase mu me bonwom no obi na gina keyboard obi na gina ha ana me ene mu amene omo ye adwuma obebri na ye full time music in Ghana here, so you can imagine ti sebi say ono free ni fie jana yere ne ma ho abedi wachi be gina wachi bo ma twen wura de nim bo ade ne ma ne kama na wo to me to na fi do wie na wo ka storage channel me ya ma ye ana was too awkward. I can't explain it.
Say sometimes say people na wo any problem but say be won wo zi wachi no you can't go to them and say oh ye nya hwe
na me frɛ ono mu ni ho. That is the truth.
But I think that for some time the conversation about church workers, looking at your background now, if you are so
that's it.
Into no church workers, they be one ma what tonium was so them, one ma what ball instruments as well so them no. What's your view the mass on you because of maybe some American into
media yen shame free say omu ye yo so ye sofo we ye shepherd we go ahwefo now we sorry mo no obi ye bibi bua nipa ko ni ye yo ese se we ye wakoma so ye uhi asem
okay
what he says that every for lack of better words a basic Christian living okay so we shepherd sabi ni di ma ho brase mu onkofo anu mo ye adwuma eso mo hia enti sometimes enye via 500 cedis crowd eba mom me I prefer say so be born instrument was sorry na so for unya adwuma me ne kamenya adwuma papa bia mawo betumi afecho something say e ba sa wo so unpa adwuma na obesa wo ya say ni school bi kwa na say do kona etumi unya bibi nyina so bi betumi dia mawo skakese enye say wabebo one year amount 500 and 500 Ghana a month. Minim ni betumi ayo. Nti as I say, no two ways. I mean to conclude on that topic. No, we have to look at it two ways. Yeah, bono. As I say, add value to yourself. Okay. To ukusuku be music ni. Now so there to me have some music director. Okay. And I say as we be have say chere. Wo na obi chere asore man na enkwala no ni youth no mo person mo sua no. You know something, let's add value to ourselves. And yes, how would a music director that's one way because there are churches a music director or be work with Kusunyaze or the chairman from the Sunday school teacher. But when I come to the pastor, say where's our Sebi Sebi, a sheer negligence. You are just trying to ignore your responsibility. Let's look at it two ways. I saw the penny suffer ma nipa no hu hia Sebi, also be son no ye. Inti kwankra obetumi abo no the value aba no so na mutua anye se mutu scale gu no. Ono na won so a yetua wo ka no. Ye adwuma no sene obeye no. Was Sebi bank B. Okay. And they you know, putting the contract into consideration. Mon sign B.
May I sure that I be out here could be a debate because apart from there, no passionate boy calling. Maybe a Sunday school teacher. It's a meme lawyer calling. Yes. Now it's only a secret free man. Channel
Sunday school, I won't try to cabo some crana. As I said, sometimes. So with me after me say me bless me show on dey am say okay 5,000 we 10,000 we okay as far as me show bon more than 3 years my show I mean enti I believe there are some pastors who are doing that.
True. Now I can call university she about university.
Yeah, me agree ko na I'm kind of my friend say
agree the kind of
say ninti ma to atwene nka planting for food and jobs. But may have fishes of men.
Okay. And I don't know. Iri na mama ya me. Agree cross your university lo.
The professor I'm not manager. You know, but
okay. You know, my share a gospel industry no, economy no. Yeah. Economy in the gospel industry other than economy.
Oh, nyame adom amen. Tell me can not to nyoma here. I believe in putting value on yourself. Okay. And I believe in consistency. So, at the end, Sebi, untumi me femu one bina, we need to build a catalog. I mean, and personally for me, I'm working very hard on it. You know, untumi me femu one to be on your one song be na ya fidie. Usimunya me debi. I mean, you should work hard. You know, and be consistent. I believe that people like and many obedient come people like Dana Hamilton you know 2007 I mean 2007 I make a mete in okay and I think 2005 I stand to be corrected but you know time last week I was with my sister Penny my PCA you know Obintias all those times you know so
back in the days
and with consistency and hard work. Look at, I mean, we all know the story now. Yes. We need to be consistent. In the economy, a year, but send Americano. Be consistent. So why you do my dinner? And now I'm so over tasty. Sorry,
see, Canada in your kakra.
We need yabinya.
But I can also not careful because it was your full show.
No, it was your first and nobody do hallelujah. But I mean, what we need to do, we will do. I mean, trust me.
Okay, but I say, you know, I guess something to know quickly and dive into music videos. So Sunday or one party be involves a lot of money in the separate music video or chromade on the phone. And I would say a lot of live performance. Exactly. It's a bit of the live performance and it's an alternative. They be a singing coach an extravagant music video and a them win. Is it true?
The live performances are it's very cost intensive.
Okay.
Very cost intensive because you see, it's a different thing when we born you na ukutcha video na a man for Miami. You know, but maybe the kind of videos I mean with live performances, people are playing. We actually record everything there. Okay. You know, so the video shoot and the audio production are simultaneous.
I see.
At the same time.
Okay.
And yes, my born you and I feel there. Because it's drums and then you must say man from better on no more said that say no more.
Okay.
There be. To me bubia if we be post production e say me say ko na me ko he baby ayan to ni cause life na ye say ko to faso I told her almost a time BV's no voice nothing ya say to ni na afoforo hey sometimes I say 2 years ka foforo for that
I see
be o tin hu bo bia be gine die bu obetimi aka just say me ye bonwom 5 anyu ba ko bia ma je 300 anu ka no dey achew.
Hey,
the drama and say
on one day. Into 3,000 and you record on 5.
And you 5 nipa could be also or 300 or the achow. I know Ghana is a woman. Okay. Or the achow, I mean, because almost I
said 300 in one and cut 3,000.
There be 300 Ghana.
Wow, okay.
Oh, there be 300 Ghana. Sentina, I told how many are brain because Metanasi are recording, but we are 1,500.
Yeah.
1,500, baby. but maybe you artists for France was abo.
Okay.
So these are the realities on the ground, you know. To me, be obey me, you know. Be on man I can just for the but my number could be 300. 2 6 where my drama no 1,008. Mama keyboard is 1,008. Mama guitar is 1,008. You be about BVs. And also no.
We never kabo na sika no kodeni.
About camera.
Okay.
Camera is no so number sign out pay. Open 4 cameras. Some our shots benya alternative, you know,
angles.
Yeah, choices. No better dance na IFA. And also benya with hiring of accessories. Jib one and a jib back one jib crane back one. So you know the thing is cost intensive.
I see. One fund
in your support. Oh, we have people behind us. I'm on a problem. Thank you so much.
Oh really?
Yeah.
To invest no wow.
Even at the program, don't mention it because sometimes I know I'm pimping pressure. Because Makubuni is here and a beer. Na we be feature any means for me kwe. Na bi anane ho nyan so sata. Anya se bi e pesa mi kunya mo sele. Mi nyan ko be bu bia.
No, member, but matter say.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, away from that. Yeah. Ebekade, what do you stand for?
All right. Yeah, we have been called to carry the cross. You know, we stand for the kingdom. I mean, I'm telling you, the Jina platforms only a tonoma. And I make sure it shows on my life, even outside music, outside singing. My mama Brabonye, Boni Becca said we are sermons in shoes. When I'm on Monday, we are preaching now. The assembly of the county, you will be shared. Now say we are Kania. When so Kania find share Kodoasi. And that's what I stand for. Bijinawa, me say metunu me no. No gidi say ampa. Papa bi ba wi ase be nante. E fe ni Yesu.
Okay.
Ono no kware no, ono no kwan. Ono ne nko. So the whole tone so a ade nyina be dia boa. This is what I stand for basically. I make sure a bit reflecting in my deeds, even outside music.
Okay.
You know, and then I also love hard work. You know, people, those who know me, you know, I'm sorry, mobile. But I'm me quite for work. And you be BNT, send a be a Jumano.
And you walk up, me sure into what I was saying. Oh, I joined the on urban.
Yeah. Oh yeah, of course. I mean, sometimes you know that they behind you they will say everything. I mean, sometimes not because they hate you, but because maybe you're too hard on them. But of course, that is the demands of the work.
Okay.
You know, you can ask every music director, every musician. I mean, even on your job. Your directors.
Well, Kofi Peprah. I know everybody. Oh, how I join Papa Kofi Peprah. How I
yes.
Oh, I am
but it's for the greater good.
Okay.
Yeah.
But very can say now maybe so there be we are sure there were talent be nobody knows about. And there be talent be why useless because for you to use the talent no. But before maybe mark the massam no achem no me pede when you songs of revelation. Okay. If you child Luigi, and on ye cool tea, and that mama, why I enjoy kakra no. Why come new song guinea? Yeah, so a production there, me. You know, I have some personal songs in it, and they've been so already existing songs. I mean, I do my city permission from. You know, the people are copyright issues. Yeah, exactly. Anything like that because of the kind of worship and identity. I'm sure that. Okay, so far, because of my management, you know, they are very, 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 you know, attentive when it comes to those sanyo. No, uncle Fanyumbia own city permission, whether it's from a denomination, and a Pentecost Sabi, Pentecost Apostolic or Betro letter. I could say, you know, something like that. We need to use your song to give us the opportunity. So they do. I see. And you know, about copyright issues, you know. Okay. And then even with individuals, you know, my friend, I'm with you, I'm Daughters of Glorious Jesus. You know, I sang their song and I put it on. And I went to them and they said, oh, sure, okay. But I just hope they will not come back to bite you. The reason why I'm saying that is that a written consent to ebia one pe kwa register enyum no very necessary because word of mouth no company now will register you know with no onim there because later on because now saying Opanka had issues exactly it would also because of rap no you know of Bini beats now why be what so we no wa block like wa bononyeska kabanti
so omo ani omudi nkomo no minche wa kafra omo ani omudi nkomo no they tell us if there is something we have to do officially
okay
with respect to that particular song and you need to be hard they've even given it out to another firm another production oma tonyom no right now people buy catalogs
I see
yeah obi to me ba na onyoma wa ye no wasem me sha obenya ska bia $30,000 wo ma me ma $35,000
am tonyom no wow
o shena o ye sure say usika no dey am na be do so asin ni obenya na you can do that. That is how that's the lay explanation of what I'm doing. If you realize that there be new I can get more than that,
then it's not a good deal.
It's not a good deal, you know. So and you need to have a new one same to say.
Okay.
These businesses.
Okay.
So if you go and do it, and then you know you don't see consent from them, it's a problem.
Okay. Now, my high cafe ban I bet
yeah, correct. Correct place. I love the environment. Sincerely.
Okay.
I love the
now breakfast no so the way I was serving no.
Yeah, correct.
Me kind of butcher we be shock.
Sir?
Yeah, me kind of butcher we be shock.
You be 200 Ghana.
No, they be ondru. Ondu kra.
Hey, baby say oga 200 Ghana.
The ebeba ahade cafe ba no a Ejonu police station in Chan hono ma bra. Ebompo na itintia him bia so na ebotwa pictures, colorful food na.
That's right. That's right.
Baba cancer wa hade police station in Chan hono ma Ojolu. But na be zi wa ha maka chwe the group of friends imposa packages no here so much. Epede be events kra na ahade grounds ne so anamebwa. But to have a 50, 100. See, but was na from when I na anyone in Z and Saudo. Now maybe said I was talent to be in you, sir.
Oh, me talent in Adom Tv. No, I started me use but and me talent be a dormant. But because a dormant now me use
okay.
You know me a saxophonist.
Oh, I was saxophone.
Oh yeah, wow. Instagram page. I thought I'm a church is be na my bra. Me am a voice no. I pick up my saxophone and I begin to play. Me a bass guitarist. That's when I started. Into the treble bass, you know, and by the grace of God, I know my way around every instrument. Me I do musicians me to do amati. To do nearby.
But I say, before I go quickly, you know, I can be about Papa because I know that you know were strong ties. Yes, your crown and I'm no man enemy because me I should know about them.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Okay, make an Papa no Reverend George Owusu no was some like into no me them over them be na masofuzi kwando. Yes. Ebusuya here opa ho. Yeah. Inti say nyom me sure that it takes time no afro be afro events na so you were married man. Yeah. Is that a run if you know ni ejuma na area no.
Me na me irasipa. Thank you so much Ama. It's called Ama Santella.
Okay.
She's so supportive. Sometimes we ba na do be one pan or be boogie team when pass obi na pan.
The madams are here pa.
Yeah. And she puts up with all of that.
Okay.
We were two beautiful children.
Wow.
When you grow 3 years.
Wow.
And then so you can imagine.
Boy.
One boy, one girl.
Okay.
So I have a girl. And she then I say, we told them a job more. Buy me too, buy.
As a call Israel.
Yeah.
As baby by did you come with?
Israel, media teacher, every Dead Sea. But it's Dead Sea teacher.
I see.
Those of you, the mad in the Dead Sea. Those who know what I'm talking about.
I see.
But it wasn't for anything spiritual. Medicinal purposes.
Okay, Martin.
You don't see me papa there. Nyame adom de nyum nyina ama me.
Okay.
Ebi ejapadia on mama dan.
What part of more when you don't want some again into no every face had a from Brinny Baby.
Exactly.
I'm sure part of Mutons for way too much.
I'm so grateful. I'm enjoying myself.
Enjoy the breakfast or cafe, bar noir, Nimpa, and the chunk more, Kofi Owusu Peprah, Jumano, or any year, Papa, and I'm so good do Rishirano, not wish any year. Then listening to John who Papa can show day or do ye, Papa.
Thank you.
Me the best here. Yeah, me da wase da Jimbre na nyime ye ke da Tuesday bia be santa ya sanda ye hyiemu o wa hade da marana fruits na Kelvin na obuso ma san mamutu me use bro obe Kofi Ampedu head of producer directors papa nyame hira wa so de mama kwanya mamutu na me be betena hade me be si hade nyame e adom a ye be sana ye hia kwa me frempon ye da ase da nye ne be